Hey, welcome back to another video with Upping It Up with me review, and this is your host Kay, and this time we're gonna be talking about the one and only M Audio BX5 D3 Carbon Black. That's right, this little pair right here goes for the price of $150. But guys, listen to this. 2019, if you guys go to Guitar Center today, tomorrow, whenever you see this video, they are only $100. So you better take a nice bet right there. That's right. So today what we're gonna do is open it up, and then you can see what's on the box. And don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit like. All right, thank you.